dehydrating some chilli. These are Apache chilies from last year, aiming to make a piquant chili oil, ideal for putting on our homemade pizzas. So I've chopped up the dried chilli, separated the seed, and now I'm filling the glass bottle with the shavings of chilli. So these are Apache. It's a nice, relatively hot but not ridiculously hot chilli. And the idea is you'll make a lasagna. You'll pop the little flakes at the bottom, add the whole chilies. It's incredibly important that you use dry chili. And the reason is a fresh chili will be full of moisture. And moisture is your enemy when preserving. So these are a low acidic food, and we're going to be preserving them in olive oil, which makes it an oxygen-free environment. And there's a potential for botulism in that environment. Botulism's incredibly rare in the UK. I'll take the precaution of using dry chilies. In you go. This is actually a really good way of using up all the teeny little baby chilies you end up with at the end of the season. They've still got plenty of heat, and what I do is I gather them all up at the end of the season and I just bung them in the freezer until I've got a spare moment to do this. So now I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil, good quality extra virgin olive oil, to top off the bottle. Quite a lot of Apache in here. This is going to end up quite strong, but if it's really hot, I'll be able to use it as a bit of a concentrate and mix some of the hot oil in with just plain olive oil. So I'm going to leave that on the shelf in my pantry for a good couple of months, maybe a bit longer, and I'll be looking to see that oil turn a beautiful red colour. That's going to be a really nice chili oil for our homemade pizzas. Give it a go. Homemade pizza oil, give it a go.